How many of you believe that the management education create not just leaders but thought leaders? In 2021-22, 219 startups were registered in India, but 19 made it to the unicorn list. You know what do you mean unicorn list? A 10 million mark. And do you know what made them to succeed there? The management skills, which includes man management, resource management, money management, and strategic management. Sage University brings you that strategic amalgamation of industry and academia at your doorstep. What can be more interesting is when you see the top industry experts mentoring you to make it that big. 100 visiting industry experts to guide you and 25 global tie-ups with world corporate leaders. Isn't it exciting to you? What are you waiting for? Join Sage if you want to be on the unicorn list.